Yours poppin' Playboys, welcome back to another video. For this video, we're gonna be detailing the SI because as you guys can see, car is filthy. And yes, I'm still wearing the same clothes from the last video because this video was filmed like 3 hours after. So yeah. We're gonna try to detail this bad boy because it is filthy. Like filthy. So let's see how well I could do this. This is my first time ever detailing. I'm not a professional. I don't do this every day of my life. This is just something I'm gonna try. I'm gonna show you guys the products that I'm gonna be using in case you guys want to use the same thing. Alright, so the stuff I'm gonna be using is obviously my pressure washer. I have a whole video on this whole setup, so if you guys want to go watch that, I'm gonna put the link like right here. You guys can click it. And then yeah, so this is my detailer that I'm gonna use, my little polish thingy. Got the thing that goes around it. I use the cheap stuff, you feel me? Some compound, some, I'm not gonna be using this, but got that too. Got some wax, you feel me? The, you know, the good things. And this is for the interior. Got some microfiber towels, you know, sponge. All right, here's the stuff I use. I use this soap, this tire cleaner, some wax and dry, you feel me? Some tire shine. This is for the exterior, like I spray it after. I'm just gonna try this out. It's my first time ever using it. My girlfriend bought it for me, thanks babe. And then yeah, my little thing I used to clean the tires, and that really is tire brush, but I'll take it from the dustpan, so who cares? And then I have this to clean like the outside of the tires. So oh yeah, and then I got my little foam cannon right here. I know a lot of people do the 2-bucket method. I'm not one of those people. I'm actually the people who don't care about the car that much, but for some reason I just feel like doing this, detailing the car. Plus I got a car show tomorrow, so I'm trying to make sure the car looks the best it can because it's gonna be my first car show. Thank you. Yeah, so I'm gonna wash the car, get it all sparkling clean, clay bar it. My clay bar is like right there. I don't know if you guys can see it. I bought this clay bar off of eBay for like, I think like $5. So yeah, clay bar it, all that stuff. Show you guys how to do it. Show you guys how to do all that stuff. Mind you, this is my first time doing it, so if I'm showing you guys how to do it wrong, hey, you guys are gonna do the same thing I'm doing. You guys, I don't know. You feel me? Yeah. So I got the SI dried off, all looking clean and things, but I don't know, I don't feel like waxing it anymore now and doing anything to it because it looks so clean and like, I don't know, but I'm still gonna do it, make it a little bit more shinier. So yeah, I used my big old plush towel that I got from Walmart, $7, probably like the best towel I bought so far. All right, so now I'm taking out, where's my clay bar? Oh, here's my clay bar. So now here's the clay bar. Let's see if I can take it out.
Oh, then I don't know.
All right, so here's the clay bar. I just want a tiny little piece. Put you guys down. So all I really need is like probably that much. That's all I really need to do my hood. So I'm gonna flatten it out. flatten out all the way. And now I'm gonna grab, where's that spray? This spray right here. And then you're gonna spray. If it wants to spray out. There we go. So now you want to spray. Spray the whole car down. And now you just want to rub this across. Because you don't want the paint to be hard while you're doing this. And just go like that. And that's how you clay bar. Simple. I'm pretty sure I'm probably doing something wrong, but this is how I do it, and it always works out fine. I did this on my mom's car, and it came out fine. It came out nice and smooth. So yeah, after you clay bar your whole car, then you want to like dry it off, and then that's when you can start waxing and polishing and doing all that stuff with the buffer. So after I finish cleaning the whole car, I'll show you guys how I do the buffering. You know, the other things I be doing to the car. You feel me? Yeah. Alright, I'll be right back, you heard. Huh? Alright guys, so it's the next day, like I said. Here's the SI how it's looking. So, I'm gonna tell you guys what I did yesterday. Even though I wasn't really supposed to do it, I was supposed to record it. I did the whole hood. Like this little like stuff is like dropping, which I don't know. I parked my car in the corner, I don't know what these are, but they literally just like wipe off. So yeah, so I did the hood, I did the front bumper. Also, I did the rear bumper. I did the roof. And yeah, I think that's about it. Oh, and I did the front fenders. So what I have left to do is literally just the rear. So like right here, but to be honest, I don't plan on doing this because the rear don't really have any scratches. Like the rear is really clean. So probably just gonna spray some wax on it, some spray wax, and just wipe it down and stuff. And yeah, I'm gonna see if I can get out this scratch. Hope you guys can see that. Oh, there it is. See if I can make this like look a little bit better. I already know I can't get it out because it's like that's pretty deep. I can feel it in my nail. So I can see if I can make it better. So now I can really show you guys how you're really supposed to wax and polish your car since we're outside, and then I actually have sun today, but it's about to rain pretty damn soon, so hopefully it doesn't rain while I'm doing this. Let's get it. Alright, so in this part of the video, one of my neighbors thought it would be the right time to come outside and mow their lawn. So you guys couldn't really hear me when I was talking, so I'm just gonna do a voiceover, you feel me? Let's get it. Alright, so right here you see me, daddy long legs over here. Okay, where did I go? What am I doing? Okay, I'm back again, you feel me? So what you want to do, you want to wipe down your door. Make sure there's nothing on that door, nothing on your panel that you about to work on. You feel me? Then you see right now, what I'm doing right now, I already had the polish on the whatever you want to call it, the buffer. So right now, all I want to do is like smear it around, pat it everywhere I want to get it at, you feel me? So once you do that, let's see, once you do that, yeah, see how I'm rubbing it in, get it in everywhere I want to get it. So like when I use the buffer, it doesn't have to be dry. All right, so what's going on? It's not working. Oh shit, did I break it? Come on, figure it out, Sean. You got this. Figure it out. I know you know how to figure it out. Alright, I think I figured it out because I came back. Oh yeah, I figured it out. Let's get it. So next thing you want to do, you want to go left and right, as I'm doing right now. Left, right, left. I mean right, left, right, left. And just keep doing that. And when you get to the top, you're gonna go up, down, up, down. As you guys can see, it's kind of uncomfortable trying to polish it like that. I should have brought out a chair, but I wasn't thinking. You feel me? But look at me going up, down, up, that, up, down. There we go. Up, down, up. Yeah, you get the point. So keep doing that until it gets a little hazy.
Once it get a little hazy, then you guys gonna wipe it off. Like I should be doing like a couple seconds. I don't know why I'm still doing the left and right. Alright, so right now you wanna buff it out. You feel me? Look at that arm work. Get it, Sean. Yeah. Buff that thing out. See how I'm doing that thing? Buffing that thing out real good. So yeah, next thing, after you buff it out, you could, you know, check on your work, see if you did a good job. If you feel like you didn't do a good job, then of course, you know, you always could really do it. I mean, I only did it once because I didn't see the purpose of me doing it 3-4 times because the scratch is already in the paint, like it's through the paint and everything. So didn't want to spend my time doing that and getting no results. But it did help the scratch out a little bit, you feel me? Yeah, look at me, happy as hell.
So now that scratch is like barely noticeable. Like, come on, focus on it, there you go. So it's barely noticeable now. Like, you really gotta be squinting hard on my car to see it. Damn. Yeah, I think I did a pretty good job on this build. Like, this car is beautiful, man. It just needs to get faster. And I got some mods in the room, the closet right now, that I'm waiting to throw on the car, but need that moolah, I need that money, so gonna put a little pause for that. But yeah, man, that's gonna be it for this video. If you guys, whoa, I almost dropped the camera. Yeah, that's gonna be it for this video. If you guys enjoyed what you guys seen, you guys know what to do. Please like, comment, and subscribe. Go follow me on Instagram. Stay tuned for the next. Your boy's out. Peace.